Hey beauties, it is I, Jessica Nicole, and in today's video I will be doing this look right here. It's honestly a get ready with me and I am late for where I've got to go, so I have to hurry up and get this video done. But anyway, I wanted to feel like spring, but spring is not here yet in New York. It is snowing. Well, it was snowing. We had a snowstorm like 2 days ago. Wasn't with it. Okay, so I ain't trying to make it too spring. You feel me? This is the look that I came up with today. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Before I get into the video, shout outs to my notification gang. Right there. Shout outs to you for being a part of notification gang and being the first person, well, the first people to write that you are notification gang. Gang. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe. Follow me on all social medias. Hit that notification button and enjoy. Okay, guys, we are starting with the face halfway done and one eye done. I didn't know what I wanted to do. I know I wanted to wear makeup. I know I wanted to do makeup. I just didn't know what I wanted to do. So this is what I got. For some reason, the orange is not coming up orange and it is upsetting me, and I don't know if it's because of the base that I used, but whatever. Let's just get into how I got this eye. For primer, I'm using my Makeup Revolution concealer. This is in C12. I'm just using my C433 from Crown Brush to blend out this concealer before it starts to dry down. Just gonna take some of my Ruby Kisses powder, the Set and Forget powder in Invisible, to set my lids in place. Alright, so today I'm working from 2 palettes in order to get this eye look. Again, I didn't know what I wanted to do. I actually did like 3 looks and none of them came out the way that I wanted to. So yeah. Going to pick up my M511 and I'm going into my Smashbox Covershot Bold Eye palette, and I'm going into this orange shade, and that's going to be my transition. Okay, so the orange shade is blended the way that I need it to be. So I'm going to go into my R38 from Morphe, and I'm going to go into, obviously, the red shade, and I'm gonna blend this into the crease and pack this on as much as possible. So now I'm gonna go into the shade Mulberry with this brush from my Naked Heat palette, and this is from the Soft Glam palette from ABH. I'm going to pop this on the outer V of the eye and blend this into my crease. Gonna go back in with the red shade and just blend out that mulberry shade. Oh, now going to take my Brazilian Tools brush number 714. I'm just gonna take some of that white eyeshadow base from NYX, and I'm gonna carve out my semi-cut crease. I honestly did not want to do a semi-cut crease. I wanted a halo eye with the same look, and it just looked bad. No matter what I do, I can never get my 2 semi-cut creases like even, and I'm pretty sure that's because of how my eyes are. So on the far outside where the white base and mulberry meets, I'm just going to tap a little bit of mulberry right there, just to blend those together. I'm just going to take this like little angled brush that I usually use to contour my nose, and I'm going to pick up the orange shade in the palette. I'm just going to put that right where mulberry and the white base meet. And I think this is where I messed up, because the white base, of course, is a different color because it mixed in with the shadows that was on top of my lid, but that's okay. So now I'm just taking like a flat concealer brush, and I am going to go into the color Tempera. I think that's how you say it. That's going to be that white looking shade that's on the predominant shade on the lid. And then I'm gonna go back in with the orange and just blend that with the white. It's going back in with some of mulberry. It's all about blending. Going back in with the lid shade, blending back some of that orange because I feel like I went too far. Like that. Go ahead to be like that. Taking my 210 brush from MAC. I have not said that in forever. In my Morphe gel liner from Slate. I haven't said that in forever either. And I am just lining my lid. For liner, I'm using my Schwing liner from the Balm because I can't find my NYX liner. I just had it, but I don't know where I put it. Just gonna tap a little bit of black shadow like I usually do, where that black liner ends, just so that everything coheres and blends together. Who was I talking to? I think I was talking to my sister, where she said she can't work with a palette, like a mirror close up to my face. I need one this close to my face, especially when I'm doing eyeshadow, because I need to see every single detail in what I'm doing so that I don't mess up. So now I'm gonna finish off the eye and then pop on my lashes. I'm just gonna use some black liner from Geek. This is in Obsidian, just to tight line my waterline. I make the ugliest face to line my waterline, but who wants to poke themselves in the eye? I mean, so now I'm just going in with mulberry with this flat shader brush, and I'm just blending right underneath that black liner. Then I am following with some red eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna blend that underneath. I'm gonna kind of pack it on just to get that pigmentation. So for lashes, I'm just using my trusty lashes that I won't tell anybody where they're from. And I know y'all get mad at me every time I do it, but there's always a method to my madness or whatever. So now I'm just gonna pop on some mascara. I'm using a mascara that I really like and I fell in love with, which is a super scuba mascara from the Balm. Alright, last thing is the inner corner. So I put down bronze first to give me that gold pop that I wanted. And then I followed with the color glistening on top to just tone it down a tad bit. Okay, just bronzing up the skin using my Vera Moore powder, and of course this is in antique brown. Alright, so I'm not going to contour a lot today because I don't want my face to look like super strong, if you guys know what I mean. When you do bold eyes, try to tone down your face a little bit, but that's a whole nother video. So I'm just going to contour my face a tiny bit with my Scandal contour from Geek. I'm going to be using the ABH highlight and dripping in gold. And I'm not putting on much, just enough for you to still see that I have a highlight going on. Okay, so I don't know what lip to put on. Don't say red because I actually don't like wearing red lipstick. I'm gonna line my lips with Downtown Beauty Suede Matte Lip Pencil. Using Blankety from MAC. Let's box some gloss and rose julep. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I always tell you guys, like, comment, share, subscribe, follow me on all social medias. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video.